Alright, looking at equations of horizontal and vertical lines. I touched on them a little bit before, but I want to come back to them for a bit here. Now, we need to understand vertical lines will have the same x value, horizontal lines will have the same y value. Let's see why that's true. Not a very good line there. Let's look at a bit of a graph here. I guess it doesn't have to be exact. But if we had let's say we had a vertical line. A vertical line moves up and down. As we move along this line from point to point, x value never changes, but the y value does. Same as, in a similar sense, as we have a horizontal line here. We can see if we go from point here to point here to point here, that essentially our x value changes, moving along the horizontal, but our y value stays the same. So, when that's the case, it's a pretty easy thing to look at finding an equation of a horizontal and vertical line. So let's say we want to find equation of let's say a horizontal line passing through. We'll look at a point here. Let's say 2, 5. Okay. Well, if we want to look at this on the graph, we're not going to do this one to scale. And we'll pretend this is 2 and this is 5. Okay. So there's our point. There's a horizontal line passing through here. So we know a horizontal line is that way. Well, what doesn't ever change in this sense? What stays the same is going to be our y value. Our x value changes as we move along the line. Here, 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 over here. X value is always changing. So if we want the equation of a horizontal line passing through these points, 2 on the x, 5 on the y, well, then what we're going to say is this is y is equal to 5. That's our equation of our horizontal line. So, what if we want to do a vertical line? Well, let's say a vertical line passing through the point -3, 1. Okay. Well, we know vertical lines go up and down. The y value changes, but the x will not. So for a vertical line, x stays the same as x equals -3. Which means, essentially, we would have a point at -3 on the x-axis, and we just have a line going up and down. Okay. So this is how we do the equations of these types of lines, vertical and horizontal lines. Now, I think I'll wait and get into parallel and perpendicular in another video, but hopefully this helps with how we graph the horizontal and vertical lines. In these cases, we're going to see usually just a y equals or x equals with regards to how we'll graph them. So, hope this helped. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.